Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the language on your account on Shein easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application and then click on this icon here. Click on the settings section and here you will find the language. Click on it. So as you see here, you can change it. You can follow the phone's system or to French or Arabic, whatever you want. So if you want to change it to the phone system, it will be English. So that's it. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.